So I'm going to be using the gold holographic new glitter acrylic. It's absolutely stunning. I'm pairing that with bubblegum premix glitter acrylic, which is the iridescent. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm also going to be using the crystal clear so that I can obviously create my nails and pick up my loose glitter and encapsulate everything. And the loose glitter the loose glitter that I'm using is cotton candy. Such a pretty mix. I also wanted to share with you guys the new holographic Holo Blast collection. It's a stunning 7-piece glitter acrylic collection that is available now over on my website. All of the products will be listed down below and are from glitterplanetuk.com.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be focusing on creating this cute as heck pink and gold set, which I think is just perfect for like party season, festival season, glam season, like any time of the year literally. So yeah, if you want to see how I created it and you want to recreate it, then just keep on watching, and also check out the products that I used in the description box down below as well. I've already applied my easy tips to my practice hand, and I've done that using the instant nail glue because it is the bomb. And now I'm coming in with pure pink, which is this gorgeous gorgeous cover acrylic powder. It's absolutely so pretty. You guys are gonna have to bear with me as well. It's been so long since I've edited a video and done a voiceover, so there may be a little bit of hiccups here and there. I might stumble with my words and all of that great stuff, but I'll try my best not to, of course. So I'm using the bubblegum, which is this gorgeous iridescent glitter acrylic. We literally just launched these on Friday. You guys have been absolutely loving them, and thank you so much to everyone who got them already, and the holographic collection as well. They are so freaking pretty. So I've just gone ahead and applied that to the tip of the nail and covered the whole area, and then I flipped my brush backwards and blended that glitter acrylic back up the nail just to create this super cute glitter blend, and it just looks so freaking cute. I'm moving on to the next nail, and I'm going to be applying the pure pink over the entire nail for this one. So I'm just starting with a bead in the middle of the nail and working that product down the nail. And once I've done that, I just scrape off any excess at the tip, as you saw, because it's pointless it staying there if you're just going to have to file it off if you have the opportunity to just quickly whip it off with your brush. I'm then coming in with another bead, placing that just above where I already applied my original bead, and then blending that down. And then my camera decided that it was full and it was not going to record anymore, so I finished off that nail off of camera and then moved on to the next one. So moving on to the next nail, this one is going to be a base of that pure pink acrylic, and then we're going to have a swoop or a swish of glitter, which is one of my favourite nails to do. I find it such a simple nail to create, but it's super effective and really looks like it took such a long time to create as well. So yeah, I'm just working on creating that pink base, and then we'll come in and add the glitter. So whilst I'll do that, I just wanted to check in with you guys, make sure you are all doing okay. How are you doing? Did you do anything fun for the Halloween holidays or anything like that? We had so much fun. We set up like a spooky house just for the kids at home and us, and honestly we had probably the best Halloween kind of week that we ever had. It was so fun. But yeah, I just really loved it. We didn't go out or anything. Well, I suppose we did go out. We went pumpkin picking and we went trick-or-treating, but other than that, everything we did was at home and super fun. So let me know if you did anything. What did you dress up as, if you did, or what did your kids dress up as? Yeah, it's always good and fun to know. So I'm going to come in with the gold holographic acrylic powder, and damn, this set of powders is stunning. I'm excited to hopefully get a chance to create lots of Christmas nail designs with them because they are perfect for that, like literally perfect. Okay, so as you can see, I am using the gold holo and I'm just placing a bead on the nail and then spreading it down the nail to completely cover everything. These glitter acrylics are absolutely gorgeous and super packed with the perfect ratio and amount of premixed glitter. Can you see how gorgeous that coverage is? Honestly, I literally live for them. They are so pretty. So I'm just taking a little bit more of that gold and just putting it through the bubble gum, and then I'm going to use cotton candy and add some of that over the top as well. If any of you are wondering why my voice has changed a little bit, it is the next day and I seem to have woken up with a little bit of a dodgy nose and my voice has changed slightly, but nonetheless I still have voiceovers to get through, so here we are cracking on doing them. Like I said, I'm just taking a bit more of that gold holographic acrylic and I'm going and running it through all the places where I add the glitter, and as you can see, it just ties it together and brings that gold throughout the whole set. Even though it's just tiny delicate amounts, it still makes that big difference. So I'm going to use the Foil Mate Transfer Gel and the Rose Gold 10-piece foil set, and I'm going to use the Ornate scissors, which by the way are freaking gorgeous, and I'm just trimming off a little bit of that foil. You literally just need a tiny amount. I've added my foil to the nail and I've done a full cure for a full 60 seconds, and then I've allowed it to dry for a further 30 seconds just to make sure that it's super tacky, and then I'm coming in and just randomly pressing my foil into that nail. Just love how foils look. I think they are super freaking gorgeous. So next I'm coming in with super gloss, and of course the entire set needs top coating, and oof, they look so freaking juicy. I literally love how this turned out, and I haven't got my nails done at the minute. As you can see, they are tiny. I don't even have any gel polish on. I don't think I've had them properly done since August, which is insane, but that is just how busy we've been. But I'm definitely going to make time for myself to do the cutest, like bombest set ever. I'm feeling like I need some extra glam just to make me feel fabulous, so give me some ideas below. I want over the top, like outrageously sparkly as always. But yeah, I'm just adding super gloss to all of the nails, making sure to cap the side walls. The reason why you cap the side walls as well, guys, is because if you kind of just went to the edge and didn't come round under that surface, you'd find that you may get top coat peeling off, or if you banged a nail, it'd just like chip off. So that's why we cap the side walls. This is how the nails turned out. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed seeing this set come to life. I hope you loved everything about it. As always, I'll link and list the products down below, so if you're interested in anything, check them out. And always remember, guys, that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Bye.